Hi friends, this video shows how to install an app. So in this video I am going to install SonyLIV app. So we can open App Store, go to find, and here we can see App Store icon, open it, then there we can search for SonyLIV and install, or just go to find tab, then select search. Here also we can search for the app. So let me search SonyLIV, select SonyLIV, then install, then select the SonyLIV app icon, then select get. So now it's downloading SonyLIV app, so please wait. Now it's installing. Okay, installation completed. So from here we can select open and open this SonyLIV app, or go to home screen, then select home tab, then here we, in this recently used apps list, here we can see the SonyLIV app icon. From here also we can open it, or we can go to my apps, select my apps. So from here we can open SonyLIV, select SonyLIV app icon. So this way we can install any app. Just go to App Store, then search and install, or go to find tab, then search and install. Okay,